Hey you guys, today we have some highlights that I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, if you need the tunes, they're at the end of the video, and if you have any suggestions or anything like that, just leave it in the comments. I usually do my best to answer all, and yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy.
Oh, it actually dressed pretty good.
It is. It's a tune, bro. Magic.
Bro.
Yeah. Or it's just the skills, brother.
W skills, bro, for real.
That was skills, bro.
Oh, I almost went out, but I did.
The second I talked about skills, bro.
Yeah, bro. There was an NPC there, but I was also a little scared.
Yeah,
But he didn't touch me though. I didn't want to hit him. So I kind of overdrifted, like oversteered. Oh yeah, that's the word, oversteered. Oh shoot, you didn't do it.
I do it, but like he tapped me a little bit. But it was alright. It was cool. Yo, go around the roundabout and go in under the shit.
Huh?
After this, yeah, go around
Yeah.
the roundabout and go inside the parking lot.
Okay. Where's the parking lot though?
Inside, like the underground.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Oh fuck! I didn't see.
Bro, I was.
No, we gotta do it again.
The
What the
same
fuck?
shit, bro. We're blind. I
Nah,
couldn't
come
see
here.
it, too,
Come
bro.
here.
Like I was zooming on my screen. I was like, there.
Yeah, bro.
It really.
So you saw what I felt.
Yeah, exactly what I was about to do the same. Like I literally followed you.
I didn't see it.
And the fact you went there, it was like a confirmation for me. Like, oh yeah, that's there.
Yeah. Okay, well I don't think we're gonna make the same mistake again.
It was funny. The shadow followed you.
No, bro. That shit just blended in.
Yeah. NPC. Oh, okay. Well, NPC slowed down for me for some reason.
No, did it actually?
Yeah. I feel like it was about to turn here, so it slowed down. Okay. Okay. So far so good.
There's gonna be some mess up right here.
No, bro. Don't lose yourself. Have faith.
No, get out the way, bro. I swear. Oh god.
I'm just
Sorry.
keep dodging NPC.
No, bro, but like they were blocking. They were blocking all the lanes. Like there were two of them.
Fuck.
Sorry, I was supposed to
It's
say go
okay.
left.
Yeah. I knew you were going anyway, so.
Oh, NPC on this side. Two of them.
Both
God
sides.
damn.
Left, right, both
Yeah.
sides. What the fuck?
Oh damn, you're close. You're hitting my car.
Yeah, I'm about to get in the closet, bro.
Yikes, bro.
Yo, I was like, since when the 80. Oh no, bro! Go to hell!
Great.
Going so perfect, fam. And game crashed. Can't be any better. Let's do the normal 316 3. Easy, bro.
Easy. I'm not changing it, but fuck it.
Okay.
It's not supposed to drift this good though.
For real. Should be wobbly. Should be slow.
Yeah, bro.
You're faster than me. What? How is that even possible?
I don't know, man.
Imagine we make it a trend and everyone be using it.
Yeah, bro, that'd be pretty cool to be honest.
Yeah, it would be funny.
Doesn't it look a little foggy?
Foggy? No.
Yeah, like this is not supposed to be this good.
For real.